Welcome to the ITMaster YouTube channel, your ultimate destination for a comprehensive Microsoft Word tutorial. In this video, we'll provide you with a complete introduction to Microsoft Word. At its core, Microsoft Word is a versatile word processing software developed by Microsoft. It's designed to help you effortlessly create, edit, format, and share documents, making it an essential tool for individuals, professionals, and students alike. With Microsoft Word, you have the power to craft a wide range of documents, from simple letters and reports to more complex materials like brochures and academic papers. Its intuitive interface and feature-rich environment empower you to focus on your content while the software takes care of the formatting and layout. From basic text editing and formatting options to advanced features like inserting images, tables, and graphs, Microsoft Word offers a plethora of tools to enhance the visual appeal and effectiveness of your documents. Additionally, Microsoft Word fosters collaboration through real-time co-authoring, commenting, and track changes. This enables you to work seamlessly with others on the same document, regardless of your physical location. Throughout this tutorial series, we'll dive deep into each aspect of Microsoft Word, providing you with step-by-step guidance, practical tips, and tricks to boost your proficiency. Whether you're a beginner taking your first steps or an experienced user aiming to refine your skills, our tutorials will cater to your learning needs. So, if you're ready to unlock the full potential of Microsoft Word and elevate your document creation game, you're in the right place. Using the Start menu, Windows. Click on the Start button in the bottom left corner of your screen, usually represented by the Windows logo. In the search bar, type Microsoft Word and press Enter or select Microsoft Word from the search results. This should open Microsoft Word. File tab earlier. The File tab is an essential part of the Microsoft Office interface and provides access to various file-related options. It's not part of the ribbon itself, but rather a separate tab located at the top left corner of the window. This tab is also referred to as the Backstage view in Microsoft Office applications. When you click on the File tab, it opens the Backstage view, where you can perform actions related to managing, saving, printing, and sharing your documents. Here's what you can typically find in the Backstage view. After selecting New, you'll be presented with a variety of template options that you can use as a starting point for your document. These templates cover different types of documents, such as business, cards, flyers, letters, education, resumes, cover letters, and holiday. You can use the search bar to look for relevant templates. For example, if you're looking for a resume template, you can type resume in the search bar. Save your document with a new name or location. Save as, save a copy of your document with a different name or in a different format. Print, access print settings and preview your document before printing. Share your document via email, cloud storage, or other collaboration methods. Export, save your document in a different file format, PDF, Word 97 to 2003, etc. Options, access Word settings and preferences. Account, view and manage your Microsoft Office account and subscriptions. Feedback, provide feedback to Microsoft about the application. Exit, close Microsoft Word. The File tab Backstage View is a centralized location for managing various file-related tasks and settings. It's especially useful when you need to perform actions that affect the entire document, such as saving, printing, and sharing. To access the File tab, Windows, click on the File tab located at the top left corner of the window. Ribbon. The ribbon is the main control panel in Microsoft Word. It's a horizontal bar at the top of the window that organizes commands and features into a series of tabs and groups. Each tab is related to a specific type of task, and within each tab, you'll find related commands grouped together. Here are some common tabs you'll find in the ribbon. Home contains essential formatting tools like font settings, paragraph formatting, clipboard functions, cut, copy, paste, and styles. The Home tab in Microsoft Word is a central place where you can find various tools and options for formatting, editing, and customizing your documents. Let's explore the key options available in the Home tab. Font and paragraph formatting. Font settings. In the Font group, you can easily change the font style, size, and apply bold, italics, and underline effects to your text. Changing font color. Changing font color allows you to customize the color of your text. Select the text whose color you want to change. Locate the font color option in the toolbar. Click on it to open the color palette. Choose a color that suits your document's style. The text will now appear in the selected font color. Clearing text formatting. Clearing text formatting is useful when you want to remove any applied styles and return the text to its default format. Highlight the text with unwanted formatting. Look for the Clear Formatting or Remove Formatting option in your text editor. Click on it, and the text will revert to the default style while retaining its content. Changing text case. You can change text case to uppercase, lowercase, title case, or sentence case. Select the text whose case you want to change. Find the Change Case or Text Transform option in your toolbar. Choose the desired case format, example, uppercase, lowercase, title case. The selected text will now reflect the chosen text case. Paragraph formatting in the paragraph group. Adjust alignment, line spacing, indentation, and bullets / numbering for your paragraphs. Clipboard functions. Cut, copy, paste. The clipboard group provides icons for cutting, copying, and pasting text. These actions help you move and duplicate content within your document. Format Painter. With the Format Painter tool, you can copy formatting from one part of the text to another. Styles and editing. Styles, in the Styles group, explore various text styles that make your headings and subheadings stand out while maintaining a consistent look. Editing tools. Access the editing group for features like find, replace, and selecting text using the Select tool. In this part of our Microsoft Word tutorial, we've explored essential elements of the software, such as the File tab, Backstage View, and the ribbon. The File tab serves as your gateway to managing and customizing your documents, while the ribbon empowers you with a wide array of formatting and editing tools in the Home tab alone. As we continue this journey through Microsoft Word, you'll discover even more functionalities, from advanced formatting options to collaboration features that will enhance your document creation process. We'll delve deeper into each tab of the ribbon, ensuring you become proficient in utilizing this powerful tool. So, stay tuned for the upcoming tutorials in this series. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our enlightening guides. Together, we'll master Microsoft Word and turn your document creation into a seamless and creative experience.